In this video, I'll guide you through how to add files on GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, knowing how to efficiently add files to your GitHub repository is essential for managing and sharing your projects. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to open up your GitHub repository. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're inside your repository, you'll notice a variety of options at the top of the page. One of these options is the Add File drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see several choices. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Upload Files. This option allows you to add new files directly from your computer to the repository, making it a straightforward way to update your project with the latest changes or additions. Now that you've selected Upload Files, you'll be taken to a new screen with a large box that prompts you to drag and drop your files here. This box is where the magic happens. Simply locate the files on your computer that you wish to add to the repository. You can do this by opening your File Explorer or Finder and navigating to the appropriate directory. Once you've found the files, click and hold them, then drag them over to the box on your GitHub page and drop them in. You should see the file names appear in the box, indicating that they are ready to be uploaded. Before moving on, take a moment to double-check that you've included all the necessary files and that everything looks correct. If you need to make any changes, now is the perfect time to do so. Once you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to commit these changes to your repository. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a button labeled Commit Changes. Clicking this button is an important step as it finalizes the addition of your files to the repository. But before you do, you'll notice a couple of fields that you can fill out. The first one is for a commit message, which is essentially a brief description of the changes you're making. Although it's optional, it's a good practice to provide a clear and concise message that explains what these files are and why you're adding them. This will help you and anyone else working on the project understand the context of these changes in the future. Directly below the commit message, you may also see an optional field for a more detailed description. Use this space if you need to elaborate further on the changes or provide additional information that might be useful for other collaborators. Once you've filled out these fields to your satisfaction, go ahead and click the Commit Changes button. And there you have it. You've successfully added files to your GitHub repository. By following these simple steps, you can keep your projects up to date and easily share your latest work with others. Remember, mastering these basic operations can significantly improve your workflow and collaboration efforts on GitHub. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this one. Happy coding!